The next movement in the Spinal Hygiene series is known as RDLs, or Romanian Deadlifts. You're not going to use any weight. I'm going to show you how to do this, and then I'll take you through the mechanics of it. I'm going to be doing this from the side. Same position as the first move, feet about shoulder width apart, and it looks like this. And what you want to do is we want to maintain the curvature in the back, going down until you feel the back wanting to start to flex, and that's where you come up. So if anything to think about, it's kind of shooting your back end straight back as your hands go down. So it looks like this, and then flexing when you come up. Good. And once you get better at it, you can do that motion slightly faster, but you should feel the stretch in the back of your legs and the flexion in the glutes as you come up. Again, recommendations 3 to 5 minutes. This is RDLs.